Today I'm going to show you how to propagate and grow an infinite supply forever of Thai basil in 2023. So let's get into it. First, we're going to take a cutting from a plant. You want to make sure it's at least 6 inches and you're cutting where 2 others are forming at the stem. Now you're going to want to prune and get rid of the little pieces so that energy isn't spent there. Now you have a beautiful piece of Thai basil. Now take your mason jar and fill it with tap water that is room temperature. Now you can put your basil in. After 2 weeks, you will have nodes and roots, and your roots should be white. You're going to have to change the water and feed the plant also. I recommend Shaw's liquid plant food. Only put in 2 drops in clean tap water and a clean vase. Change the water every 2 weeks. Now that we're done with that, we can return my little mermaid that I got from Frankenmuth in Michigan and pick some basil for dinner. There you have it. Give yourself a round of applause. Tell a friend, like, share, subscribe. In this video, I am targeting millennials that live on their own and grow plants and live in the city or suburbs. It appeals to millennials wanting to experience new and exciting things in their lives. Now more than ever, millennials want to learn to be self-sufficient, and this video appeals to that. I chose this title by searching how to get Thai basil and picked the video with the most views by Epic Gardening and followed SEO How to Rank Number 1 by Brian Dean by using parentheses, year, and brackets. Growing an infinite supply appeals to the millennials. I also use product tags from Epic Gardening.